dear teachers and my dear family members. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. My dear teachers, you are already unique to us because you are changing our lives all through the year with your teachings and your efforts. We all know that the scenario of education is changing day by day, and you are those personalities who are really committed to make us capable during this changing scenario. This time, even during the corona crisis, you did not stop our studies. You learned a lot of new and different things only for us during the lockdown, so that you can teach us through the online media. I think only saying thank you to you for these works is very much less. I really appreciate these works from the bottom of my heart. My dear teachers, in this video, some of us are going to share their feelings, what they carry in their heart for you.
Happy Teachers Day to all my honorable sir and ma'am. We all are known teachers are land of our knowledge which eradicated the darkness of our ignorance. All of them who encourage us to achieve our aim, who support us in all time, all semester also. And my 2 and 3 lines are not cannot be describe him properly. And he is one and only our HOD sir, Mr. Durga Prasad Sahu. Sir, thank you sir for your support, for your blessing. Thank you so much sir.
जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी, जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी ना झुका पाएंगे हम जिसका कर्जा। माँ ही नहीं भगवान के बराबर गुरु का भी है उतना ही महान दर्जा। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Good evening dear teachers, a very happy Teachers Day to all of you. It is our first Teachers Day celebration through online media, and in the absence of a very energetic and charming person of our department to whom we really miss in our college and classes. He is our respected former principal sir, Dr. Chirabratta Datta sir. You are the person like a coconut, means very tough and strict from the outside and very good from your heart. We all miss the way you say beta to all of us. It feels so energetic and happy at the same time. We miss the roar of your voice, which sounds like a king, and we are feel like we are in your kingdom. Thank you so much that what you taught us till now. Hope you may have a very healthy and happy life ahead. Thank you so much.
A very happy Teachers Day to all of my teachers. I want to thanks to all the teachers for your love, care and encouragement. Respected Bera sir, thank you for helping us in every way, for your guidance and support. Thank you for clarifying our every doubts, and we are really blissful to have a teacher like you. And genetics, which is quite hard for us to understand, but you explained it very well so that we could easily understand it. And thank you so much for that sir, and thank you for your advices and suggestions. Thank you so much.
Namanti falino vrukshaha, namanti gunino janaha. It means branch of a tree with lot of fruits always bend towards the earth. Similarly, virtuous personalities also bow down towards the earth. My dear friends, if you ask to give an example of the personality who are like virtuous person, then I will definitely indicate our teacher Mr. Khamari sir, because he is the only personality who always say "Mui gadha hai," but he teaches in such a manner that a silly or a dumb student can easily understand a topic.
Good evening dear teachers. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all of you. I came into your class to grow and to learn. But what has taught me is the most love that you have shown. We all know that the only Guruma of our department is our Rasmi ma'am. Ma'am, you always pull our ears and scold us in every time so that we never mistake again and again. Everyone says गलती करना बुरा नहीं है, पर एक गलती को दोहराना बुरा है. And you always taught us the right words in our classes. Ma'am, we really missing you along with our lab slides and all our equipments. And I hope that Corona crisis will end very soon and we will meet in our lab very soon. Thank you.
जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, बंद हो जाए सारे दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप, सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Good evening, dear teachers. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. Today I am saying about those two personalities who teach us out of the syllabus, but more than any of the syllabus, and add some moral qualities to our behavior. Those two personalities are Sadhu Dada and Gautam. Dada, sometimes your words are like stress reliever. You brings us the study instrument that we need, clean the classes so that we get our best study environment. Thank you.
Teachers, these were our feelings for you, which we have shared through this video. At last, I would like to say that every teacher in the world is forever revered and respected. But you are little more nice to us because you are little more closer to our heart. And without you, our LNC Botany family is like a cell without a nucleus. Thank you. सही क्या है, गलत क्या है,
ये सबक पढ़ाते हैं आप.
सच क्या है, झूठ क्या है,
समझाते हो आप.
जब सूझता नहीं कुछ तो
राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप.
शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.